Thanks for checking out the Blade Ops YouTube channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Bestech Falko. This is a sweet knife offered by Bestech with a blade length of 3.54 inches. Has that beautiful satin flat grind and is that 154 cm steel. This thing looks really good, and I imagine this blade is going to be super slicey. Now this is a liner lock and it does run on bearings, so it is drop shut smooth. You'll see that action. So smooth, fires out. Fantastic. Got a couple of different colors here, and the closed length on these are 4.84 inches and have that carbon fiber G10 interlayered scales. And that light looks really good on these. Has a nice 3D milled pocket clip with great retention as well, and a fuller there which can be used to flick this knife out. Fit in hand is really good, locks right in, jimping on the back there is where it should be. Fantastic knife. Overall length is 8.38 and weighs 4.34 ounces. Again, we have a couple of different variations here, and even some of the anodization on the clips and stuff look really good. Fantastic. This is the Bestech Falko, and you can pick them up at Blade Ops today.